Ready to unlock the power of your data with Tableau Desktop? First, head over to the Tableau website and find the download link for Tableau Desktop. Ensure you select the correct version for your operating system, whether it's Windows or macOS. Once you click download, the executable file should begin downloading. Before you start downloading, confirm your computer meets the minimum system requirements. Things like processor speed, RAM, and operating system compatibility are crucial for smooth performance. You'll find these requirements listed on the Tableau website. Once the download is complete, locate the executable file and double-click it to begin the installation. This triggers the installation wizard. The first window usually asks you to review and accept the license agreement. Make sure to do that before moving forward. Next, select your desired installation location. Consider whether you want Tableau installed on the default drive or a different one. The wizard also lets you customize what you want to install. You might be prompted to install a shortcut or related products. The installation process will now begin. This might take a few minutes, depending on your computer's speed. During this process, Tableau is setting up all necessary files and components on your system. Congratulations! Once the installation is complete, you'll likely see a confirmation message. You might be prompted to restart your computer. Now you can launch Tableau Desktop. When it opens, you'll be greeted with the Start page. This is where you can connect to your data sources. You can choose from various options like Excel, CSV files, or connect to servers. From here, you're ready to import your data and begin your data analysis journey. Congratulations on installing Tableau, and get ready to visualize data. Good luck.